going to demonstrate how to give an answer for strengths and weaknesses. Please do not write anything. What I am going to share is I am going to share some examples from my personal life. I will assume that you will do some homework before you prepare for an interview. Preparation for an interview itself is a very important task. So I am saying that whatever I am going to say right now, please do not use it in your interview directly. Do not use it, use the words that I am using. But use the idea, the strategy, the factors that are included in the answer that I am going to give. So please listen to it very carefully, that the way I am going to answer, you need to first prepare your own answer at home. Right? Go home, observe yourself, find out incidents which are showing your strengths, do a good amount of research and understand yourself, ask your family members, ask your friends and relatives what are your strengths and what are your areas of improvement, and at least come up with two incidents supporting each parameter. Then create a story and then put your points the way I am going to put the points. Clear? Is that clear? So all of you need to promise yourself that you are not going to use it word to word the way I am going to say. That is just to share and demonstrate to you how effective you can be in telling your strengths and weaknesses and other answers also. Clear? And this applies for all the answers that are going to come. Ritesh? So you are the HR manager and I am going to. So you ask Piyush, what are your strengths and what are your weaknesses?
Hello Piyush, what are your strengths?
So can you be a little loud? I cannot hear you, Ritesh. Yeah, Suketu, sorry.
Piyush, what are your strengths and weakness?
Sir, since childhood I have a habit. Once I decide to do something, I don't care how much effort, how much energy, how much work goes into doing something. It may be solving a mathematical problem, arranging a picnic, or anything else. Once I decide to do something, I put in all my efforts to doing that. So you can say that my first strength is I am a determined person. Before I tell you about my second strength, let me tell you one thing. Let me give you one example. It was my dad's 25th birthday and we were decorating our house. All of my family members stopped decorating because it was a surprise for my dad. But I was not happy with the decoration. So I went on and on all alone for the next 4 hours. And when the decoration was over, everybody was very happy. And my dad, who got it as a surprise, was extremely happy. So you can say that if I do a job, I'll do it perfectly well. This also applies in my professional life. Whichever assignments and projects I've worked on, I always aim for perfection. Until it is not perfect, I don't stop. As I told you earlier, that I am a determined person. Once I decide to do something, I don't care how much effort, how much time and how much energy goes into doing that. Because I am a determined person, my strength of being determined is also my weakness. Sometimes I've worked so hard on the projects, I've worked so long on the projects that I've neglected sometimes my health, my personal life, my family life. I can say that I have sometimes not attended some marriage functions because I was too involved in my work. So I would like to say that my strength of being a determined person is also my weakness. My family members tell me that I spend a lot of money, and I think they are right. And that is my second weakness. But I would like to justify why I spend a lot of money. Whenever I buy clothes, a mobile phone, or shoes, or watch for myself or my family members, I always go for quality products. And quality products are always expensive, that you'll agree. So I would like to justify my second weakness of spending a lot of money by saying that I go for quality. That's what I want to say about my strengths and weaknesses. Good one? Again I am saying, please do not use the words that are given. We will be giving you printed notes of the answer exactly what I have given. Okay, don't worry, right? So what was there in the answer? Did you like the answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Now why did you like the answer? That is important. What was there in the answer that you liked it, or anybody would like it? What was there? Yeah, tell me.
It is very politely and it is convinced to interviewer.
Yeah. So why is it convincing? That is what.
Descriptive.
एक आंसर में, हाँ, एक आंसर में ऐसा क्या है कि सामने वाले को पसंद आएगा? So it is very descriptive and elaborate, right?
Right.
Elaborate means it is detailed. What else? That is point number one. Second,
Your strengths and weaknesses are explained with complete examples.
examples, extremely important. If you look at trainers, all the trainers are very good at giving examples. All the trainers are excellent at communication because they always give examples. So when you are expressing something, always support what you are saying with a real life example. That's why I said when you prepare for your interview, list out your strengths and find out examples that really prove that these are your strengths. Don't just say I'm a hardworking person. And hardworking is very old-fashioned. So you'll say, right, I'm a determined person, I'm a committed person. Don't just say that I'm a perfectionist. Don't just say I'm very good at my work, right? Support it with examples, the promotions that you got, the feedback you got in professional life, the communication you got from your clients, the feedback you got from whoever you got, from principal, you've been a class teacher or class representative, right? CS it is called, CR. So you've been a class representative, the feedback you got from professors, exactly their feedback speaks a lot. We run a spoken English institute. Your feedback speaks a lot about us, not that what we speak is important, correct? So prepare very well your strengths and weakness. That was the second parameter. What else was there in the answer that you liked? Why did you like the answer?
You have shown your drawback very wisely.
Yeah. So you need to show your drawback very wisely. You don't have to be wise, smart, anything. It is always, remember my friend, they are not your weaknesses, they are your areas of improvement. Right? We all are learning something new every day. So you need to show a very balanced approach to your negative. Even to your positive, as is very nicely said, very respectfully and very humbly you say about your positives. Same way, you don't get carried away when you are talking even about your negatives. So do not get carried away by your positives and do not get carried away by your negatives. So you say that these are my negatives, and please do not say, a lot of people say that I get agitated or I get angry very fast. Right? That is very harmful if you get angry very fast. Right? So you can say I'm a perfectionist. Until a job is not perfect, I don't get satisfied. Of course, you may be getting angry, but you don't have to say that. Right? Okay. So that was the third parameter. What else was the parameter? What else was a factor that the answer was effective? No? You need to divide it into parts. One strength, then second strength, then one weakness, then second weakness, right? Clear? Yeah, that's why you need to divide it into parts. So you need to have a certain flow. What else? So you've not noticed it. I never gave conclusion in the start. I always give conclusion in the end. Why does it help? How does it help? How does it help?
To reveal the weakness.
Any strengths also, when you're saying, do not start with the strength. Do not say I am a determined person. Why?
He is thinking that what you are.
So the person is curious. Because सीरियल से नहीं सीखा है. End में बोलते हैं ना अभी कल देखेंगे. Right? So you maintain that curiosity. That is one reason. Second, when you complete the example and then you give the conclusion, by that time the person has already got it very clearly that this person is very determined. Right? The person is listening very clearly, picturizing what you are saying, has almost got the conclusion. When then you say that I am a very determined person, it has a very high impact. Clear? Yes or no?
Yes.
Right? So thank you very much, Suketu. Yeah, I got your name right. Thank you very much. You're selected. Who's coming next? Shraddha?